The Aquatic Escapades of Ethan and Eleanor. Chapter 8. Reflecting on the journey, evaluating accomplishments and failures, learning from past experiences. As Ethan and Eleanor navigated the tranquil waters of introspection, they encountered a pivotal juncture in their seafaring odyssey, the moment to evaluate their accomplishments and failures and glean invaluable lessons from the trials and triumphs of their voyage. In the solitude of the open sea, they embarked on a journey of self-discovery, seeking to understand how their experiences had shaped them and propelled them forward. Their accomplishments stood as testaments to their unwavering determination and unwavering resilience. They had sailed across vast oceans, braved tumultuous storms, and ventured into uncharted territories, leaving an indelible mark on their nautical charts. The memories of these achievements filled their hearts with pride and a sense of deep satisfaction. Yet, they recognized that failures were an integral part of their growth and evolution. They reflected on the moments when their plans had faltered, when their hopes had been dashed against the unforgiving rocks of reality. These setbacks had taught them humility, perseverance, and the importance of learning from mistakes. With each accomplishment, they had grown in confidence and competence. They had honed their sailing skills, mastered the art of navigation, and developed an intimate understanding of the intricacies of the marine environment. Conversely, their failures had revealed areas where they needed improvement. They had learned the importance of meticulous planning, thorough preparation, and the ability to adapt to unforeseen circumstances. These lessons served as valuable stepping stones, propelling them towards a path of continuous improvement and self-mastery. As they delved deeper into their introspection, Ethan and Eleanor realized that their accomplishments and failures were inextricably intertwined. Each success had been built upon the foundation of past failures, and each setback had paved the way for future triumphs. This realization filled them with a sense of gratitude and a renewed appreciation for the journey itself. In the tapestry of their seafaring odyssey, they discovered that the true value lay not solely in the destinations reached or the milestones achieved, but in the transformative experiences that had shaped their character and expanded their horizons. The lessons learned from both accomplishments and failures became the guiding stars, illuminating their path forward as they continued to embrace the allure of the open sea. Chapter 8. Reflecting on the journey, appreciating the simplicity of life at sea, embracing minimalism. In the vast expanse of the open sea, Ethan and Eleanor discovered a profound simplicity that eluded them amidst the complexities of life ashore. Stripped of material possessions and surrounded by the boundless expanse of water and sky, they experienced a liberating minimalism that transformed their perspectives. Gone were the distractions of social obligations, the incessant buzz of technology, and the relentless pursuit of worldly desires. In their place, a newfound clarity emerged, allowing them to appreciate the beauty in the simple moments of existence. With each sunrise, they marveled at the spectacle of the golden orb emerging from the horizon, casting a warm glow upon the tranquil waters. The gentle caress of the sea breeze against their skin and the rhythmic sound of waves lapping against the hull of Regina Maris lulled them into a state of serenity. Meals, prepared with fresh, locally sourced ingredients, became more than just sustenance. They became occasions for mindful appreciation. They savored each bite, delighting in the natural flavors and the stories behind the food. Conversations, unhurried and meaningful, delved into the depths of their souls. They shared laughter, tears, and dreams, forging an unbreakable bond that transcended words. As they sailed from one destination to another, they encountered diverse cultures and traditions. Yet, beneath the superficial differences, they discovered a common thread of humanity that united them with people from all walks of life. In the simplicity of life at sea, Ethan and Eleanor found a profound sense of contentment. They learned to appreciate the little things, to live in the present moment, and to find joy in the company of loved ones. The journey became a testament to the transformative power of minimalism, revealing the true essence of life beyond the trappings of material possessions. Chapter 8. Reflecting on the journey, reflecting on personal growth, the transformative power of seafaring. In the vast expanse of the open sea, Ethan and Eleanor embarked on a voyage that transcended the physical realm, embarking on a transformative journey of self-discovery and personal growth. As they navigated the ever-changing seascape, they confronted their inner demons, embraced the solitude of the open sea, and discovered hidden depths of strength and resilience within themselves. The relentless rhythm of the waves and the boundless horizon became their constant companions, inviting them to delve into the depths of their own being. The challenges they encountered at sea mirrored the challenges they faced within, pushing them to confront their fears, insecurities, and limiting beliefs. With each passing storm and conquered adversity, they emerged stronger, more resilient, and more self-aware. The vastness of the ocean reflected the vastness of their own potential, urging them to transcend limitations and embrace the boundless possibilities that lay ahead. In the solitude of the open sea, they found a profound connection with their inner selves. Stripped of the distractions and expectations of land-bound life, they were able to listen to the whispers of their own hearts and discover a newfound sense of purpose and direction. The journey also fostered a deep appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living beings. Witnessing the delicate balance of marine ecosystems and the fragility of the underwater world, they developed a heightened awareness of their own responsibility as stewards of the planet. As they sailed from one destination to another, they encountered a kaleidoscope of human experiences, each interaction leaving an indelible mark on their souls. They learned the value of empathy, compassion, and the power of human connection. Through their transformative seafaring odyssey, Ethan and Eleanor discovered a newfound appreciation for the beauty and wonder of the world, a deeper understanding of themselves, and a renewed sense of purpose. The journey became a catalyst for personal growth, leaving them forever changed and enriched. Chapter 8. Reflecting on the journey, documenting the voyage, capturing memories for posterity. In the solitude of the open sea, Ethan and Eleanor found solace in penning their thoughts and experiences. With each stroke of the pen, they captured the essence of their extraordinary voyage, transforming fleeting moments into enduring memories. Their journals became a testament to their adventures, a chronicle of their triumphs and tribulations, their hopes and dreams. Day after day, they diligently recorded their observations of the marine world around them. They meticulously documented the behavior of sea creatures, the patterns of ocean currents, and the ever-changing moods of the sea. Their words painted a vivid portrait of the underwater realm, capturing the beauty and majesty of a world often hidden from human eyes. Beyond their scientific observations, they also poured their hearts and souls into their journals. They reflected on the personal growth they experienced during their voyage, the challenges they overcame, and the lessons they learned. Their words revealed the profound impact of their journey on their lives, capturing the transformative power of the sea. In the quiet hours of the night, under the vast canopy of stars, they shared their journals with each other, their voices weaving a tapestry of shared experiences. They laughed together over humorous anecdotes, shed tears over moments of heartache, and marveled at the wonders they had witnessed. Their journals became a bridge connecting their souls, a testament to the unbreakable bond they had forged. As their voyage neared its end, they realized that their journals held more than just personal memories. They contained a wealth of knowledge and insights that could benefit others, inspiring future generations of seafarers and ocean enthusiasts. With a sense of purpose, they resolved to transform their journals into a book, a literary legacy that would share their adventures with the world. And so, they spent countless hours poring over their journals, carefully selecting the most poignant passages and weaving them together into a cohesive narrative. They sought to capture the essence of their journey, the highs and lows, the triumphs and failures, the moments of beauty and the moments of despair. Their goal was to create a book that would transport readers to the open sea, allowing them to experience the magic and wonder of their voyage firsthand. Chapter 8. Reflecting on the journey, planning future adventures, envisioning new horizons. Amidst the tranquil waters and beneath the vast expanse of the starlit sky, Ethan and Eleanor found themselves at a pivotal juncture, moment to pause and reflect upon their extraordinary odyssey aboard Regina Maris. With the memories of countless adventures etched into their hearts and minds, they contemplated the uncharted territories that beckoned them and the boundless possibilities that lay ahead. Their voyage had transformed them in ways they could scarcely have imagined. The relentless rhythm of the sea had taught them resilience and fortitude, while the vastness of the ocean had instilled in them a profound sense of humility and awe. They had learned to embrace the unknown, to adapt to ever-changing circumstances, and to appreciate the beauty of the present moment. As they charted their course for the future, Ethan and Eleanor knew that their adventures aboard Regina Maris were far from over. The allure of the open sea continued to captivate their souls, whispering promises of undiscovered wonders and uncharted horizons. They resolved to continue exploring the world's most remote and pristine destinations, immersing themselves in diverse cultures and forging meaningful connections with fellow seafarers. Beyond their personal pursuits, Ethan and Eleanor were deeply committed to using their platform to advocate for the preservation of the marine environment. They vowed to amplify their voices and join forces with other passionate individuals and organizations dedicated to protecting the oceans and ensuring their vitality for generations to come. With unwavering determination, Ethan and Eleanor set their sights on new horizons, eager to embark on the next chapter of their seafaring journey. They envisioned a future filled with purpose, adventure, and the unwavering pursuit of their dreams. The open sea stretched before them, an endless canvas upon which they would continue to paint the vibrant tapestry of their lives. In the years that followed, Ethan and Eleanor became renowned for their unwavering commitment to exploration, conservation, and the pursuit of a life lived to the fullest. Their legacy extended far beyond their own personal achievements, inspiring countless others to embrace the allure of the sea and to strive for a life of purpose and adventure. This video was created from an ebook on sale at www.pagebook24.com using a self-developed program by Pascal DeMarco. Download the ebook now.